everyone, it's Olamide still here, and today we're going to be unboxing these lovely toys. Last time you saw me doing DIY projects, but today we're going to unbox this, the Think and Match, and also a Unity Girl doll, a new one, but we'll get to that later. So wow. Wow. Lots of sheets. Which one should I do? Let's go. I'm not. Okay. Let's use the ingredient container that we need. And you have a lot of options, so that is it, because most games you just do everything over and over again. When you open this, there's an activity guide on the inside, and the activity guide tells you all about the game. So the game is basically about, it helps you like with your memory, your concentration, your logic and coordination and problem solving. The content: 8 both sides printed cards, 14 task sheets and 2 answer sheets. B. 16 counters, 2 each of 8 different colors. How to play. For the solo game, that's what I'll be playing. A task card is chosen and placed on some plain surface. Counters are placed on the matching figures printed on the extreme left hand side of the card. The child looks at each exercise printed on the left side of the card carefully and then tries to find the correct answer on the right side. A counter with a certain color is now aligned or linked with each other with each exercise. For example, on sheet number 3, missing tails, a blue counter is beside the tiger. The answer is marked or matched by moving the blue counter from the left to the answer on the right of the card. Which is the first? From the top, the question and the answer is now linked by the same figure. When completed, the answers can be checked against the answer card to see if the result color pattern match. I'm going to play the solo game, but you can also play with 2 players. Which you do? Each player gets 1 play board and 8 matching counters. Players try to solve the exercise in the manner explained above. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so we open this. So what's first? Okay, this is like a dog. So the yellow piece goes here, and then a horse. Oh, this red piece. A tiger, a blue piece. Yeah. A cat, which is okay. This piece, which is green. And then a rat. Put them here, which is a purple piece. What else? A kangaroo tail, which is pink. A foxtail, yeah, a foxtail, which is oh no, yeah, a foxtail, which is brown. and then a tiger tail which is orange. Yeah, and that is basically how you play. The extra pieces are if you are playing with two players. So so, like I said, they are really different sheets. Like they are,
Can you
and
show us?
they
Yes.
get harder and harder every time. Like this one, like was oh, and even to the back. Yeah, so you can play them as a family, maybe a family game night or something. And there's also an answer sheet for each of the activity sheets. So it's 1, 7, 1 to 7, 8 to 14. Wait, let me check if I'm correct. Oh god, I missed one. Okay, I missed one, yes, but that is not bad because I'm learning from like my mistakes. So have a fun time playing this game. It's a very exciting game, and it challenges your brain. Like during this lockdown, we're not really doing anything. We're not going to school. Maybe online school, but we're not going to next physical school. We can't talk to our friends. So you play this game with your family and have a great time. Yeah. So we're moving to toy number 2. Let me pack this up. So we're back to Amaka. Yes, and she's from the east, like it says here. And let's read the little notes we have here. Amaka is a lovely girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, known as the Igbo people. She loves being inquisitive and asks lots of questions during class. Her dream is to become a lawyer when she grows up. She looks like one already. So let's open this up. Oh, she comes with accessories. Okay. Yeah, she has little beads that you can make. A hair comb. Oh, what is this? Wow, this is Amaka's story. Oh, I'll read that later. So, let's go. Wow, she looks so nice. Does she stand up now? Okay, so there's a bowl here. There's a but nice. So yeah. Oh, she has pink hair. Look at this. So nice. This is my favorite toy opening today because I can comb my hair. So Amaka, you can style her hair. You can make your own like bead bracelets for her. She already has some on. She has slippers that are removable and you can put on again. And yeah, it's very nice toy. And the packaging is very nice so that and doesn't affect the doll at all. Some dolls they make their hair greasy or something like that. And her hair is so smooth to go through. Yeah, and her clothes are very soft. And she looks so real. She has makeup. I really like this doll because it's different from the other dolls. All the other dolls look exactly the same, but this one is just stands out. I think they're really nice because most dolls that they sell in Nigeria, they are mostly like American dolls and stuff. So to see see a like black dog for a change is very nice. Yeah. And I'm sure most people won't like it, but it's a very nice thing to have because they'll be like, oh, it should only be white dog, but it's actually nice to have a different dog for a change. So let's read Amaka's story. Okay, I'm Amaka. My name means beautiful, and I'm an Igbo girl in the eastern part of Nigeria, and we have 5 states: Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi. So many fruits grow in my place: mango, orange, and many more. We have beautiful places to visit around us. The Olamide Cave in Anambra State and the Nike Lake in Enugu State are nice places to admire nature. Come visit and I will show you lots more. Being a good girl. Mommy tells me to always be respectful to my friends and elders. She says good girls learn to help others when they are in need of help. I'm always reminded by Daddy to take my studies serious and never forget to do my homework early enough. I love to become a lawyer, and Daddy says I will have to work hard enough to make that dream come true. I love to swim, but Mom says I should never get into the pool without them watching or a lifeguard monitoring. It is nice to grow up healthy, and that is why we must ensure good hygiene always. Daddy says a healthy body and mind is most needed for success in life. I love my home and I'm so proud and blessed being around them. Wow, this story is very nice. Oh, there's more parts of the book. Oh, see the Olamide Cave. Common Igbo language was how are you? I am fine. Keduika Mary Adima. What's your name? Keduaji. My name is Ahamito Amaka. Good morning, Otu. Otutu Oma. Good night, Kachibwa. Thank you, Dalu. Nike Lake is a beautiful lake situated in Enugu. See it here. Okay. Wow. Let's see if there's any more. Wow, there's more. Put national flag. Wow. Nigeria's coat of arms. Social impacts undertaken by Unity Girls Fan Club organization. Changing Africa one at a time. This is the facility before and after. Look at this. This is a very nice. Wow, and you can even braid her hair. That's nice. And this is Nigeria. Oh, there's more. There's Ronke and Aisha. Growing bonds of love amongst us. Well, that's all for Amaka's story. So Amaka has a very nice story to tell. So I'm going to get her out. My favorite toy of the day is probably the Amaka toy. It's very just nice. Oh, these are removable. Well, bye everyone. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And don't forget, my name is Olamide, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.